Hi, Helen. Helen, you know what? I'm just having a bit of a problem in accessing these files. I don't understand what could possibly have gone wrong, but maybe it's just my dumb blonde moment. I go into my courses and then I choose this course here. Am I right? Or should I have chosen the one below that? And okay, if I go into that uh, Con 2426. If I go in, there is no place. Now, I know the last time when I did this with Anna Marie, there was a place that would tell me upload your, if I went down the page, it would tell me upload the exam or upload the portfolio of evidence. So that would have been there. I don't see that with this here, and I don't know if I'm on the right site, because the other thing is, from the training video I watched with Candace Wilson, there was a part here that said site manager, I think it was, yes. And that doesn't appear on my dashboard. So if you could just help me with that, please, man. And then, of course, it will come to when I get to the pages where I have to do the moderation. It's just that the rubrics don't appear, that the markers were supposed to have placed there. So it looks like I'll have to put my rubrics only, and they obviously then wouldn't be. I just have to capture the marker score and then capture my score in the place on the side. So please just help me with that, please, man. I'm just a bit stuck on that. Thank you.